Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurjil Romano Sebastian and my student ID number 20525101. And for now on, I want to create this video for my final project for intensive English course speaking for Mr. Ahmad Burhanuddin. So let's begin about this video. So the first one is what did I expect before the course? So what did I expect before this course? So my expectation before this course, I think this course is so hard or I'm struggling about this course. But when I meet Mr. Burhanuddin or when Mr. Burhanuddin start to lecture in the class, um, it is easy because more on speech, more on speak, and more on making a video. And then um, my second expectation is um, I can do it, and maybe I'm not stressed about this course, but Alhamdulillah, my expectation is going through. And then the second one is what did I do during this course? So during the course, so all I do during this course is study and then listen for Mr. B while Mr. B explaining at the front of the class and give the material or assignments, and then I listen properly because I want to learn more about this course, because this course is more on challenging. I hope I can do it, inshallah. And then the third one is upon the completion of the course, what have you learned? Have you improved your speaking skill? So, what have you learned? Have you improved your speaking skills? So, what have I learned about my speaking skills, or I improved my speaking skills? So actually, my speaking skills with Mr. Burhanuddin, actually I improved so many speaking skills that I learned for Mr. B or for this course, because this course is so enjoying and so challenging, because you learn more about to speak up or to speak up some words that you don't know or you can understand these words. If I rate this course, I rate this for 10 to 10 because I learn too much about this course. So the last one, what have I learned? So I learned to speak to people or communicate to people that I don't know. In short, I learned to communicate to stranger that I didn't know, because um, this course is teaching you to communicate other people or someone. And then that's it for number three. So the last one is give your comments on the course. What can we do to make this course better? So I don't know, because I think it is enough, sir. This course is enough. This course is better than than other man. No, that's not what I mean. I think this course is so nice and so challenging. You can learn and you can you improve your speaking skills for this course. Actually, you're so better to teach your students, Mr. B. So I don't have any comments or I don't have any. mm I don't have any suggestion to be get better about this course because this course is so better and so very nice because you are better to teach your students, sir. Thank you so much. So this is for today's video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you enjoy watching this video, sir. And then I hope this video can make you happy to watching. And then I'm sorry if I have a mistake accent or mistake words that I say of this video. Terima kasih. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.